Women feet are most ignored body part of an Indian housewife, and because they take care of everything, not giving even 2-3 minutes to take care of herself. I am nowhere different from Indian housewife, and being busy or occupied a working woman is not an excuse to not taking care of your body or yourself. I have realized this and I started giving attention to my body, and I really feel good about it. विंटर सीजन मीन्स डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू ड्राई स्किन, और जिनकी स्किन ऑलरेडी ड्राई है उनके लिए तो आफत ही आफत है विंटर सीजन में. ओवर द टाइम मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि मेरी स्किन को वाइटनिंग ट्रीटमेंट नहीं, हाइड्रेशन ट्रीटमेंट चाहिए, एंड मुझे ये समझने में बहुत वक्त लग गया. सो आई डिसाइडेड टू गिव अ स्पा, अ पेडिक्योर टू माई फीट्स, giving a hydration treatment to my feet. I ordered this pedicure kit, which is really amazing. After using this, I felt that my skin is more moisturized and more polished. DIY pedicure at home is really common, और जो सिर्फ हम हॉट वाटर, लेमन, मॉइस्चराइजर, शैम्पू और भी चीजें होती है जिसे मिलाकर घर पे कर लेते हैं, which gives amazing instant result. वो अच्छे से क्लीन करता है, but there is a drawback. Due to hot water, it doesn't lock the moisture to your skin for a very long time, so giving a hydration treatment is must for dry skin type. This pedicure kit comes with 5 products in it, which includes cleanser, scrub, moisturizer, pack and gel, and a complete instruction how to use them is given on the back of the box, so it is very easy to use. And honestly, I have done this pedicure within a 5 minute. I just followed 1 minute process for each of these steps and I'm done. So you can do according to your timing. If you have more time, you can do like 2-3 minutes, but 1 minute is even more than sufficient. Like it gave me a instant result in even in one time use, so I'm gonna try this even further more. After completing the last step, that is the face pack, I have put on socks on my feet so it locks the moisture, and I have finished it with a good nail polish which is in purple color, in my favorite, and the results are amazing. If you also want to try this pedicure kit, the link is given in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video.